Forget everything you think you know about good AI video. The melting faces, glitchy hands, and broken physics, those days are officially over. Today, the game was completely rebuilt from the ground up. This is Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield, and the creative industry is not ready. If you followed the channel, you know our biggest hurdle has always been consistency. You get one perfect shot, but the next looks like a different movie. It kills the storytelling. Higgsfield just solved this with a native multimodal engine. This doesn't just guess pixels. It understands your script, audio, and characters as one single cinematic sequence. The feature that changes everything? Omni Native audio. No more jumping between tools to get a character to speak. Kling 3.0 generates the dialogue inside the model. The lip sync is frame perfect, and the emotions are actually grounded. And we are finally moving past those 3-second GIF clips. We're talking 15-second continuous takes, total coherence, no morphing. Whether it's a high-octane fight or a macro close-up, the model stays locked in. Higgsfield isn't building a toy, they're building a professional production pipeline. With multi-shot direction and Character Element 3.0, you can now lock an identity across an entire project. I'm taking you behind the curtain to show you my exact workflow. If you want to follow along, check the link below. They're currently offering 70% off unlimited plans. Let's head to the screen and build something impossible. This is Kling 3.0. Let's get to work. Welcome to Higgsfield.ai. Higgsfield is the fastest-growing generative AI company with one clear mission: to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. They have currently launched Kling 3.0, a state-of-the-art video engine powered by Kling, built specifically to live inside professional production pipelines. This tool is amazing, and Higgsfield is making it accessible right here on Higgsfield.ai. When you visit Higgsfield.ai, you will see a wide variety of AI tools running on the platform. However, today our main focus is on Higgsfield's Kling 3.0. I have already opened the tool in this tab. You can click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to come straight to this particular page. As you can see, the process to create your videos is very simple. It follows up make videos in one click philosophy. Add a photo, which is optional, choose a preset, and get your video. However, the most important step is to add your prompt. You always have to add a prompt. For this example, I have pasted a prompt right here. If you look below, you will see start frame and end frame options. All of these are optional, but you can decide to add a photo. Let me add my AI avatar as a start frame. You can add an end frame as well. Let me add my female AI avatar like this. That is, if I want to, but if my prompt doesn't require it, I can just leave it blank. Additionally, this tool includes audio support. We already saw audio capabilities in Kling 2.6, so it is no surprise that this version has audio as well, though it has been improved significantly. One excellent feature I like about this is elements. You can add elements here, such as images of a character or an object, to keep the look consistent across the videos you are generating. Now, let's check the duration settings. They range from 3 seconds all the way up to 15 seconds. This is not your average 10-second video limit. This is a masterpiece right here. If you check the resolutions, they offer up to 1080p. The minimum is 720p, but you have the option for high-definition 1080p. That is what we have here right now. What makes this particular AI tool, Kling 3.0, so unique is the multi-shot feature. When you toggle on multi-shot, you will see a new interface appear. The old prompt box disappears and you get this new layout. It is very simple. In this scenario, you can add multiple shots into a single video file. Let's say I want to add up to 5 shots in one video. The limit is up to 5 shots, and each of the prompts or scenes that will be generated will have a default limit of 3 seconds. So what I have to do is input my prompts. I'll input my first prompt here. Then my second prompt. Here's the third prompt. And finally, the fourth prompt. Since I have 4 prompts, I will delete the unused shot slot. I can also increase the duration a bit. For example, I can increase one of these shots to 6 seconds. Once that is set, I can generate my video. That is how easy it is to generate videos with Kling AI. This is really going to change how AI videos are created. It is truly amazing. So, what are you doing now? Click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to visit this website and start generating videos with Kling 3.0 inside Higgsfield.ai. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.